Hi guys, this is video number 2 today. I just got through filming and uploading a flip through of my Gilio planner when my husband got back from the post office and this had arrived. And I told you guys as soon as I got it I was going to do an unboxing, so that is what I'm going to do. I may not upload the video till Friday, but then again I might because I have no patience whatsoever. But anyway, let's have a look-see, shall we? So this is something I got where Kikki was having. This is a clearance sale of some of their stuff, and I was just going to go on and grab some pens and things, but I ended up getting a lot more. And let's see. Simply because it was so cheap. I mean, and I told you guys about this in an earlier video. Oh my, those are pretty. Oh my, those are pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, another new pen. These are just like the ones that you get from Simply Gilded. So I love them. So I got a pen. Then I got some extra refills too. This has 4 refills in it. And then I got these beautiful pens. They're gel pens too, and you can refill them as well. They're not metal. This is metal. This is plastic. Let's say it fancy. It's plastic. But they're beautiful, aren't they? That color, it's like a baby blue mixed with a periwinkle. I'm loving those. Some of my favorite ones, designs Kikki's ever done. So pretty. So those were all I was really going to buy. But this is a leather planner. It's the crossed hatch leather planner. And it comes with all of those inserts. I think I didn't know what was in it as far as inserts go. I didn't assume it would be a calendar. I assumed it would be like wellness or something. But someone messaged me and told me that, yeah, it is a full calendar. And she was right. So I've got June 2020 through June of 2021. So this is an academic. Okay, cool. So then these aren't going to go to waste because I had also ordered these. These were on the same. These are the whole year of 2021, and they're marked down to $8 for a whole set. So you get your calendar, your monthly view, as well as your weeklies. Can't beat that, girls. And look at the pretty dividers in here. Blush on one side and then green on the other. I'm liking it a lot. And then you always get extra fill paper and everything with Kikki, and as well as usually get a tablet, which there you go. So this part, you guys, if you know my channel, you know I have lots of Kikki planners because I do like them. So this is cloth, and that's the only thing I don't like about them. I wish they would go back to doing all leather, but you know, I don't know. They're doing more and more vegan stuff too, which is, for those of you who didn't know, vegan leather is fake leather. It's just what it is, but they just call it vegan leather because they smell it, you know, sounds fancier. Get one of these things out of there. Oh, these are gross. I don't know why they put these in planners, but yeah, they do. Don't let your kitty cats get a hold of those. So anyway, oh, it has a cute little week. Look at there. How neat. I like that. I don't remember getting one of these with my other B6. So this is a B6 size. This is not a A5 size. It's the B6, which I prefer so much more over just the personal size. Because it's really, they call it a B6, but it's really the same size as a personal wide. It's not as big as an actual B6. So I don't know why they don't just call it what it is, which is a personal wide. And then you get stickers, more little stickers, tab stickers to put on, you know, so you can tab whatever you want to. Holidays, international holidays even. And there's your perpetual. And just in case you did not know, Kikki is based out of Australia. So The only bad thing about it is their shipping has gone up quite a lot. It used to be $10, and that was irregardless of how much you ordered. But if you ordered up to, like, I think $200, you got free shipping. Which normally with these planners, that's not hard to do, because normally this size is $69, I think. The A5s are $79. I got this bad boy, like I said, she's real leather. I got it for $14. They had it on clearance for $14 because they're coming out with new stuff and new designs, which they have some really cute ones, but $14, okay? I didn't need it, but for $14, I got it anyway. So, but back to what I was saying, the only bad thing about that is that their shipping is now $20. And again, that's irregardless of how little or how much you order, with the exception of 200 and over, gets it free. But this, with the shipping, was only, do I have the bag? So I can tell you. Yeah. With the shipping was only $55.98. But that's because the shipping is $20. Otherwise, it would have been $35.98 for all of this. Pins, 2 sets of inserts with your leather planner, refills, like I said, Simply Gilded style pen. And I love Simply Gilded pens. I have a million of them. I mean, for, like I said. So even if you only, and I hope they still have them. Someone told me they'd sold out, because as of last night, they had put it back on their site that they still had some. And someone messaged me saying that they were sold out again. So I'm going to check it out really quick to see. Because even if you just go over there and order the planner at $14 and pay the $20 shipping, you are still getting a leather planner for $34. So, let me see. And they've got some really cute new stuff as well. Oh, looking for you guys. Seconds. Oh, this pen, by the way, was only $3.90. They're gel pens, by the way. They're gel pens. So $3.90. If you go to Simply Gilded on their site and buy one of their pens, let me grab one of the ones that I have of them. Here we go. And get one of these pens, and like I said, they're exactly the same. Exactly. They're $10. So gel pens are not cheap. This is regular $12.95, by the way. They've got it marked down to $3.90 right now. Still looking for the planner. Oh, they've got some cute gift boxes on there, and they've got these beautiful colors. One of the ones that I would totally get is one they call Bluebell. It's like a cornflower blue, but they're not real leather, and I don't like paying that much for real leather. But they do have a real leather option now that's called Birch. That is beautiful. Oh, loading. Let's see. Have lots of notebooks. They have an A5 spiral weekly diary, and it's really, really pretty, and it's marked down to $19.80. That's a pretty one. They have several of those in different designs. They have one that's floral and one that's leaves, so if you want to check that out, you can. They have A5 quilted gray planner for $48, but it's vegan leather. It's not the real leather. But the 2021 A5 inserts they have now, and it's just like these here, and they're only $6.90. So you might want to go check that out if you need some new A5. Their B6, which is these, are now $5 $5.40. And yes, they still have the planner. There it is. I guess the girl. So if you go on the Kikki website, they still have this planner for $14. So you have to go down to their sale tab and click on sale tab and then just keep going through and seeing everything that they have. But they have some beautiful, beautiful stuff, guys. Kikki should pay me. I should be one of their ambassadors. But see, they have these really pretty things. See, there's one of the planners. That's a spiral if you prefer that. There's the other one. There is a bounded one, and it is $16.20. So yeah, that's the new blue they've got. That's so pretty. See, there is the blue I'm talking about. How gorgeous is that blue? If it were leather, oh, I'd grab that. But these are leather, and this is the new birch color. And they have the planners in these colors too. These are just little gift boxes with notebooks and stuff. But these two are real leather, and they're $42 each. But they have the planners that are those colors. If you just fall in love with that color. Here is a shopping list Living Well gift set. But yeah, all kinds of stuff. So if you guys are looking, you still haven't really totally figured out your 2021, there's the pen thing. Hey, go over there, grab some of this stuff up while it's cheap. It's like I said, even if all you buy is the planner, you've got dated inserts all the way through July of this year that comes with this. And, like I said, it's leather. It's an all kind of off-white, so it's a cream color background. And then you got your strawberries and all those pretty pale pinks and everything in there. So, it's $14. I can't say that enough times. $14. That's what your weeklies look like. And let me get a hold of one of the monthlies. That's what your monthlies look like. Kikki's paper used to be extremely subpar. It's much better now. Still not as good as like Jane's Agenda or Cloth and Paper or anything like that. But you're also not paying the Jane's Agenda Cloth and Paper price for it. So remember that. And it's still thick enough that you can easily use gel pens on it. That kind of thing. So, and in case you want to see, you have lots of pockets here. You have a secretarial zip pocket, another pocket behind it, and then you have your pad in the back. So, plus, like I said, they give you lots of scrap paper to write in, grid paper, lined paper. So, this thing is stuffed. This thing is stuffed. It's a real leather planner, plenty of room for most people. And you're going to pay $14 plus the $20 shipping and handling. So, and they do have them. So, they're in stock. So, if you want it, you better go get it. And then let me know if you do. Because I get excited for you guys, too. I get as excited for you guys buying stuff as I get excited for me buying stuff. I'm just that kind of friend. All right. And then don't forget the beautiful pins. And if you want to buy an all the way through to the end of 2021, $6.90. Same thing. All right, guys. I love you so much. I hope this blesses you and gives you a woohoo for the day. All right, girls. See you later. Bye.